Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever wondered how to get tax-free income in retirement? A Roth IRA conversion might be your answer. Essentially, you're taking money from a traditional pre-tax retirement account, like a 401(k) or traditional IRA, and moving it into a Roth IRA. This strategic shift allows your converted funds and all future earnings to grow and be withdrawn completely tax-free once you're eligible. It's a way to pay taxes now, rather than later, on those funds. The process itself is quite straightforward. You simply instruct your custodian to transfer funds from your traditional IRA or 401(k) directly into a Roth IRA. The key difference, and the reason it's a conversion, is that any pre-tax dollars you move become taxable income for the year you make the transfer. This is why understanding the immediate tax impact is so important. You're effectively prepaying your taxes on that money, ensuring it grows and can be withdrawn tax-free in the future. Now let's talk about the most important part, taxes. When you convert pre-tax money into a Roth IRA, that entire converted amount is added to your income for that tax year. This means you will owe ordinary income tax on those funds. It's crucial to plan for this tax bill, and ideally, pay it with money from a source outside of your retirement accounts. This way, you maximize the amount that stays invested and grows tax-free inside your Roth. So, who typically benefits most from a Roth conversion? It's often ideal for those who believe their income tax rate will be higher in retirement than it is today. It's also advantageous if you have separate funds available to pay the conversion taxes now, rather than drawing from the converted amount. Ultimately, if you value predictable, tax-free income in your golden years, a Roth conversion could be a very smart move for your financial future. Before converting, remember the 5-year rule. This means you generally need to wait 5 years from January 1st of the conversion year before withdrawing those converted funds penalty-free. Always opt for a direct rollover. It simplifies the process and avoids potential complications. And finally, because tax situations can be complex, it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor or tax professional. They can help ensure a Roth conversion aligns perfectly with your specific financial goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.